Does your baby gagging on food freak you out? If so, you need to watch this whole video. You are not alone. Because as a dietitian specializing in infant feeding, I can tell you that the single biggest barrier for parents when their baby is transitioning to solid foods is the gagging. But gagging is a natural and necessary part of learning how to eat. And gagging is totally different from choking. And gagging does not mean that your baby can't handle that food or is not yet ready to eat. Now here's the deal. Babies who are 6 months of age and able to sit up on their own, they can recover from a gag on their own. They do not need you to intervene. In fact, intervening in your baby's gag can actually cause a harmless gag to turn into a harmful choke. And this may sound weird, but watching other videos of other babies gagging on food and then recovering on their own, that can build confidence in your baby's ability to do the same. So I've put together some gagging videos so you can see what it looks like and hear what it sounds like so you don't freak out when your baby gags on food. Good job, buddy. You got it. You got it. Oh. Oh, buddy. There's your yogurt.
Above normal temperatures, weak high pressure. It may, and honestly,
He's gagging. You got it, bud. Oof.
I know, watching videos of other babies gagging on food is kind of a weird thing to do, but I really think it helps you get prepared for not intervening when your baby gags. When your baby gags on food, let them go. Let them do it. Your baby can work it out. Okay, this is a natural and necessary part of learning how to eat. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for 2 new baby feeding videos every week to help your baby make a safe transition to solid foods.